A cheerful good morning to you, dear students. I am sure you are enjoying grammar classes, isn't it? Okay. Yesterday we learned about writing formal and informal letters. Today we are going to discuss about story writing. I am sure you will like this topic. Can you tell me what a story is? A story is basically a narrating of real or imaginary events involving real or imaginary people. A story must be interesting and entertaining, and it must convey a message. Moreover, a story is told through words, written or spoken. Now, we shall talk about the points that we need to keep in mind while writing stories. First, hints or outlines would be provided to you in a box. Second, you should include all the hints given in the box. Third, you should use simple English. Fourth, use also direct speech to make the characters appear real. Fifth, you will write the story in paragraph form. Sixth, while writing your story, don't shift carelessly from the past tense to the present or from present to the past. At last, give a suitable title to your story. Are the points clear to you? All right. Now, we shall try to develop a story. I shall give you the hints and we shall together develop the outlines into a story. Just look at the outlines given to you. Robert Bruce, King of Scotland. The English king attacks. Robert Bruce defeated. Tries many times. Fails. Runs away to a forest. Sits in a cave. Sees a spider trying to reach the web. Many attempts. Succeeds. Bruce gets encouragement. Returns. Collects an army. Attacks England. Defeats. Gets back his kingdom. So, this is the outline or the hints. Now, let's try to develop the outlines into a story. First of all, let's give a title. The suitable title is Try and Try Again. We shall now begin the story. Listen very carefully. Robert Bruce was a king of Scotland. The English king attacked him and defeated his army. King Bruce tried many times to defeat the enemy, but failed every time. When he became totally dejected, he ran away to a forest and sat in a cave. When he was sitting in the cave, he saw that a spider was trying to reach its web, but it failed even after making so many attempts. But it did not lose heart and tried again. This time she succeeded in her effort and reached the web. The king was so much impressed and encouraged with the efforts of the spider that he returned to his kingdom and collected the army again and attacked England. This time he defeated the enemy and got back his kingdom. Now I am sending you a model story. It will help you to use your imagination and develop stories from given outlines. For your homework, you will develop a story from the given outline. Is it okay? All right.